Hi, my name is Sandro from Team Roblox, and I'm the sole member of my team. My project was created using the Roblox engine, which is used to create games. What makes this game unique is that the games can be played by anyone, anywhere that has an internet connection and from any device. Another cool aspect about the Roblox engine is that it's a user-generated content platform, meaning all of the games are created by the users themselves, which allows even novice developers to create their own games and easily share them with anyone. Another cool thing about the game engine is that your games are connected to the internet, so you have access to the web within your game, meaning you can access services outside of the game and make it interconnected with only your imagination being the limit. This type of game engine falls under the category of the metaverse, which is about connecting and sharing positive experiences in immersive spaces. So what makes this game unique? This game is unique because there can be multiple people playing it at the same time from anywhere, and they can use any device such as a phone, tablet, PC, or Mac. The game's theme is that of an obstacle course where players can compete with one another to get points as they work their way through the obstacles towards the finish line. Unfortunately, I was unable to find any other peers able or willing to partake in my vision for this project, so all of the responsibilities of planning, execution, and conclusion fell on my shoulders. Planning my project required a lot of planning ahead and project management when it came to determining the requirements of the project and my abilities to execute on those requirements. This meant that planning was a big part and was essential for the success of the project. Planning the project also included time allocated to learn more about the Roblox engine and the Roblox API. I only came to know about Roblox during the summer when my son was playing a game on it, and that is when I discovered that there were many novice developers creating games on the platform. This meant that I would really have to do my research on the technologies being used since I had only little time to implement them for my project. An example of the technologies being used is the Luau programming language, which is based on the Luau programming language. Luau is a high-level interpreted language that is used to bring games to life, and learning this language was one of the biggest challenges I faced for this project. Another tool that was used was the Roblox Studio software, which is a very comprehensive suite of tools used to design and program games. In this clip, you can see a general overview of what Roblox Studio looks like. You can see your game on one panel, with the other panels containing all of your game objects and scripts, and other panels used to create your game objects. There are also other panels that contain a console to view your code's output for debugging. Roblox Studio also contains the IDE used to write your code, which is nice in that it keeps everything you need for your game together in one place. The Roblox API was also another major and challenging tool that I had to learn since it describes how to write your code to achieve your game interactions. Luckily, Roblox provides a great set of documentation that is up to date and provides a lot of diagrams and examples to help you along the way. Yes, there were a lot of new technologies and tools to learn along the way, but I did find that my project plan was key to staying focused and on task, so luckily I did not have any major deviations in my project. If anything, I feel like my project plan allowed me additional time to make my game more complex and bigger than planned. Having a lot of challenges when building a project under time pressure is stressful to most. However, it came with the benefit of learning new tools and technologies that are out there and opened my eyes to the game development world, which I would have otherwise not have known about had it not been for this project. I really enjoyed learning about Luau programming language, but I also got a deeper understanding of the whole metaverse vision and concept. I really had a great time working on my project because of all the challenges that allowed me to grow my knowledge and because I was able to combine many of the concepts that I have learned throughout my various classes in the CS program. I also liked that I got to explore a new area of software development that deals with games since I have never built a game as extensive as this project. Although I believe the game I made has no foreseeable further development, I did come up with another idea for a game involving a maze where a user has to find their way out. I think this will be a good way to apply what I have already learned and expand my knowledge further of what I am still yet to know. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video, and I hope you have enjoyed my game as much as I have.